Hold on to your smartphones. Get ready for the ultimate clash of the titans. Instagram Threads versus Twitter. Who will emerge victorious in the battle for social media dominance? Buckle up as we explore the features, strengths, and weaknesses of these powerhouses. Background on Instagram Threads. Before we compare Instagram Threads and Twitter, let's understand what Threads is all about. Instagram Threads is a standalone messaging app developed by Instagram, primarily designed for close friends. It aims to facilitate private, one-on-one, or group conversations by focusing on sharing photos, videos, and messages with your inner circle. Features of Instagram Threads. Threads offers several unique features that set it apart from Instagram's main app and other messaging platforms. First and foremost, it allows users to create customizable close friends lists, enabling more intimate and private interactions. Threads also has an automatic status feature that shares your real-time updates with your close friends, similar to Snapchat's SnapMap. Additionally, the app provides quick access to the camera, making it easy to capture and share moments instantly. Strengths of Instagram Threads. One of the significant strengths of Instagram Threads is its integration with the parent app. Since Instagram has a massive user base of over 1 billion active users, Threads benefits from an existing network of connections. This integration allows for seamless cross-platform sharing, ensuring that your close friends are just a tap away. Furthermore, Threads' focus on privacy and intimate conversations can create a sense of exclusivity and foster stronger relationships within your inner circle. Background on Twitter. Now, let's shift our attention to Twitter. Twitter is a microblogging platform known for its real-time updates and public conversations. It has gained immense popularity as a platform for news, discussions, and following public figures. Unlike Instagram, Twitter's main focus is on public sharing and networking with a wide range of users. Features of Twitter. Twitter offers a unique set of features that have contributed to its success. Firstly, the platform allows users to share short, concise messages called tweets, which can include links, images, and videos. These tweets are easily shareable, facilitating conversations and the spread of information. Twitter also has a powerful search feature, enabling users to discover trending topics, join discussions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Strengths of Twitter. Twitter's biggest strength lies in its ability to connect users across various interests and industries. Its open nature fosters public conversations and allows users to follow and engage with public figures, journalists, and influencers. The platform's fast-paced nature and real-time updates make it ideal for breaking news and trending topics. Additionally, Twitter's character limit encourages concise and impactful messages, often resulting in viral tweets and widespread engagement. Comparison. Threads versus Twitter. Now that we have an overview of both platforms, let's compare Instagram Threads and Twitter side by side and evaluate whether Threads has the potential to replace Twitter. 1. Purpose and audience. Threads targets close friends and intimate conversations, while Twitter focuses on public discussions. The two platforms have different purposes and cater to distinct audiences. Therefore, they serve different needs and are unlikely to completely replace one another. 2. Reach and user base. Twitter has a vast user base with a global reach, making it an influential platform for news and public conversations. Instagram Threads, on the other hand, benefits from Instagram's existing user base but is limited to close friends. While Threads can leverage Instagram's popularity, it lacks the broader scope that Twitter offers. 3. Content sharing and discoverability. Threads emphasizes visual content sharing within private conversations, while Twitter is designed for concise, text-based sharing and public engagement. Twitter's open nature enables users to discover new content, trending topics, and connect with a diverse range of users. Threads, with its focus on close friends, is more suitable for personal moments and private interactions. 4. Privacy and exclusivity. Threads prioritizes privacy and intimate conversations with close friends. This exclusivity can foster deeper connections within smaller circles. Twitter, on the other hand, focuses on public sharing, which can lead to broader exposure and engagement. The choice between privacy and public sharing depends on individual preferences and needs. In conclusion, While the new Instagram Threads app offers unique features and enhances private conversations among close friends, it does not pose a direct threat to Twitter. Threads' primary focus on intimacy and visual sharing limits its ability to replace the wide-ranging discussions and real-time updates that Twitter provides. Both platforms serve different purposes and cater to distinct audiences, so it's unlikely that one will entirely replace the other. Instead, they will continue to coexist, offering users different social media experiences based on their preferences and needs. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this comparison between Instagram Threads and Twitter insightful. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.